Hey there, it's Tom the English Picker here, back with another unboxing mystery box video. Hey there, it's Tom the English Picker here, back again with another liquidation mystery box sort of unboxing video. This week I've decided to get some DVDs. Now, I mentioned this in a previous video that they do DVDs. I wasn't just going to go for normal mixed DVDs because they tend to be, I mean, they're cheap from there, but their value is questionable. Most DVDs nowadays aren't worth much, but this particular palette caught my interest because it says on it, see if we can get it, Disney. So apparently, according to the documents I got, there is 191 Disney DVDs in here. Now, I have had mixed results just over the years, not necessarily with palettes, but also with buying media of kids' films. Normally the condition can be iffy. They get chucked around, that sort of thing. So we'll see what's in here. I've done really well in the past on Disney films, particularly selling Disney bundles, short runs of Disney films. So yeah, let's get stuck into this box and see what we can find. So yeah, let's get stuck in. I think I need to sharpen this knife. So, for those that don't know, I buy these liquidation type palettes and mystery boxes from various sources that I've gathered over the years, where I mostly buy books off them, but I do buy these boxes, and I just thought it'd be interesting to show you really what's in them. I sell on eBay and Amazon, and also locally on Facebook Marketplace. So some of these will probably go on there as well. So for this box, I paid a grand total of £45, and I went to go and collect this. It's sort of semi-local to me from one of my contacts, and with commission and everything like that, £45. So that's out the door, ready to go. So yeah, let's see what we get. I think that works out, I think that's around 20-25p each, something like that, if there is 191 in there. A view inside, you can see there, and this thing is heavy. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to show you the different titles. If there's any key ones, I'll pop their value on screen. But to be honest with you, most of these will get put into bundles. So yeah, I normally do like a Christmas bundle, like a classics bundle, different ones with like the slip cases, which people do collect. But if you have any ideas of how I can better sell Disney films, drop me a comment in the comment section below. So first film is Lion King, Diamond Edition. See what the condition's like. Absolutely horrible. Let's see if we can get that. You can see there's a giant slash just right across there. So luckily I do have several repolishing machines, but again, it is something I've had experience with. The quality sometimes it's a difficult one. Tinkerbell, it's got the sleeve. Now sometimes I do sell bundles of these sleeves separately. Frozen, that's a good one to sell at the moment with the second film that's just come out, so that one's separate. Winnie the Pooh ABC 123s, you can do these in small bundles. They are a bit of a hard sell. Sword in the Stone. Winnie the Pooh, a very merry Pooh year. So that one I'll put in a separate bundle. Return to Neverland. Let's have a look at the condition. That's not bad. That one's quite good, but the discs are a weird sort of bronze colour. Strange. I wonder if that is all regions. That to me looks fishy. I can see that. It just looks a bit fishy. I think this is counterfeit. I mean, it's got a charity shop sticker on the front. Let's see if you can see. It just looks a bit fishy, that one does. I'm not too sure of that. I'll put that one separate because to me that seems a bit odd. Got Toy Story 2. Tinkerbell and the Great Fairy Rescue. Got another Toy Story 2. Sleepy Time with the Bear, Volume 4. It's got some kind of charity shop sticker on it. Mickey Mouse Clubhouse, Great Clubhouse Hunt. Cars. I have to rattle through these fairly quickly. We've got another Clubhouse one. Lilo and Stitch. Actually, no, it's just Stitch, the movie. Sophia, the first Once Upon a Time. Once Upon a Princess, sorry. Another Tinkerbell one. I might do a Tinkerbell lot, actually. Got Wreck-It Ralph. And then we have... Oh, this one is in French. Is it French? Yeah, I think it's French. Yeah, French. So it's the Jungle Book 2, but it's in French. Those kind of ones that are in foreign language, quite often I scan into some of the media buyers like Magpie, because sometimes, bizarrely, they can be worth, you know, like £3-4 that they pay for it for some random reason. Got Toy Story 10th Anniversary Edition, Beauty and the Beast Special Edition. That one's, it's got scuffs, but it's not too bad. So yeah, this is just the top layer I'm working on. So we've got, this is annoying, Chippendale Rescue Rangers Volume 1, but it's like a 1 volume out of a bigger volume set, so it's a bit cheeky to have that in there, but oh well. We've got Mickey's Once Upon a Christmas. I see these all the time in second-hand shops and charity shops. Got Toy Story, the special edition, and that is just the top row, and then I will show you the rest. Check out that. Pretty cool. So I will just rattle through some of these because I will be here all day if I go through them all. Okay, well, I'll just read through some of the titles. So we've got Cars 2, Mickey's Treat, Clubhouse, Tinkerbell, Toy Story 3, Mickey and Pluto's Rescue, The Incredibles, Cars, the first one, Jungle Book, Toy Story 2, Walt Disney Princess Stories 2, Walt Disney Winter Wonderland, that's a good one to put in the Christmas stuff. DuckTales the Movie, 101 Dalmatians, Pixar Short Films, Tinkerbell Lost Treasure, Toy Story Special Edition, Disney Junior, iHeart Mini. Yeah, see, I bet we'll find quite a few of these. Finding Dora, Monsters Inc., Inside Out, Mickey and Pluto to the Rescue, Frozen, Tarzan 2, Chicken Little, Bambi Special Edition, I've sold that one many times. Baby Einstein, these can be quite good if you get them in bundles, I've sold those before. Dumbo, Everybody Loves Goofy, 2 more Baby Einsteins, Inside Out, Winnie the Pooh, that's a Halloween one, Toy Story, Buzz Lightyear, Star Commander, Winnie the Pooh's Great Adventure, Peter Pan Returns, Disney Junior, not much value or anything, Pixar's Toy Story of Terror, Beauty and the Beast, The Enchanted Christmas, I've not seen that one before, Frozen, Monsters Inc., oh this is a classic, an absolute classic, Fantasia, the original classic, special edition, that one's cool. The Book of Pooh, another Mickey's Clubhouse, musical masterpiece Aladdin. I've sold that one a few times. This one looks a bit iffy. It's an American release of Cars. You can tell because it's got the little proof of purchase tabs up there, so that's annoying. Cars 2, Treasure Island, Monsters Inc., Monsters University, Frozen, Mulan, Sleeping Beauty. God, I can't get my words out today. Finding Nemo, Buzz Lightyear Star Commander again, a Bugs Life Collector's Edition. Again, that's an American release. Again, worth scanning into the media buyers. You never know with some of those, because they go off the Amazon listing. So if for some bizarre reason the Amazon listing is sky high, like either like a currency exchange difference between the different platforms, then you can get off quite well with those sort of things. Disney, Pixar, Cars Toon, Ratatouille, Cars Again, Jungle Book, Finding Nemo, Snow White and the Seven Dwarfs, Brother Bear, Magical Christmas Again, Aladdin, another Christmas one, Robin Hood, Countdown to Christmas, Buzz Lightyear, Tinkerbell and the Great Fairy Rescue, Monsters Inc., Pocahontas 2, Sleeping Beauty, Finding Nemo, Mickey's Christmas Again, Lilo and Stitch, Frankenweenie, Frozen Fever, I've seen that one before, Lady and the Tramp, 101 Dalmatians, Princess Stories Volume 3, and another Countdown to Christmas. So that's the first tier done. Just wanted to keep this video a bit on the shorter side, you know. So I'll pull all these out and then I'll go through the second level. Okay, so there was one I missed, which was Tarzan Classic Collector's Edition. That looks pretty cool. So they're out the way now. So the second level, I'll show you. You can see there. So we have, ooh, a brand new one. Is it brand new? It is. It is Walt Disney's Sleeping Beauty 50th Anniversary Platinum Edition. Now, I have to be wary with brand new ones because there's so many people who reseal these. So when I put it on eBay, I might put new other because it's a bit worn, the packaging, but still cool. That should sell well. That's a good little Christmas gift there for somebody. What is this? Oh, it's Wally. Again, that looks like a cancer research price sticker on it. I've never seen one in that case before. That's strange. And then we've got another foil one with Little Mermaid. That's cool. I'll put that with the other one. And we have Bambi there. Another foil one. Mickey's Christmas. So, okay, we've got Mickey's Color Adventure, Tinkerbell and the Secret of the Wings, the Lion King Special Edition, that's cool. Cars Again, loads of cars. Baby Einstein Mozart, Disney Frozen with the foil, that's cool. People are going to be scathing me in the comments with the names of those, but it just completely slips my mind. Princess Stories Volume 3, Magical World of Winnie the Pooh, Disney, Tinkerbell Pirate Fairy, Bugs Life, Sleeping Beauty, another Frozen. I'll fish that one out. Finding Nemo, Monsters Inc. What's this one? Handy Mandy Pet Roundup. Handyman. Oh, dyslexic I am. Toy Story Special Edition, Mickey's Big Splash, Pixar Brave. Cars Again, 2 cars, Cars Toon, another Brave, Toy Story Again, Robin Hood. Oh, such a good one that one is. Inside Out, Toy Story Again, and that is in French. That's the bear one again, but it's in French. Another Inside Out, Stitch the Movie, Bugs Life, Toy Story 3, Pixar short films, Tangled Up, Tinkerbell and Secret of the Wings, that one is brand new as well. Lilo and Stitch, Celebrating Christmas with Donald, Mickey's Clubhouse, Mickey's Storybook, Pixar Ratatouille, The Book of Pooh, 2 more Cars, another Frozen. These Frozen ones I'm going to put locally on Facebook because the second film's out. People might want to watch the other one beforehand. Disney's Inside Out, A Very Berry Christmas. It's cool. Chicken Little, The Jungle Book, Monsters Inc. Oh, you know what's great? When they are stuck, they were stuck together. They were wet at some point. So, that's not good. They're still a bit wet. Oh well. That's not good at all. Let's hope there aren't too many that are wet. Monsters University, Ratatouille, Finding Nemo, Cars Again, nice. Disney, Tim Burton's Nightmare Before Christmas with the HMV £5 sticker on, so that'll be a good one. Frozen, another one. Mickey's ones. God, there's so many of these Mickey Christmas ones. Tangled, Cinderella, Princess Stories Volume 3, Big Hero 6. We're getting to the end now. Beauty and the Beast, The Little Mermaid, Dumbo Special Edition, Cinderella Special Edition, A Bug's Life, The Black Cauldron, Toy Story 2 but out of a set, that's a bit annoying. Cars Again, gosh, so many cars. Monsters University, Tinkerbell and the Secret of the Wings, Winter Wonderland, A Bug's Life, Incredibles, Tinkerbell the Movie, Aladdin, a musical masterpiece, Stitch the Movie, and the last one is Frozen. So yeah, I think I've done alright really. I mean, obviously I'm just going to pick a random one out. Let's pick a random one out. Let's pick Big Hero 6, see what the condition's like. Yeah, I mean, again, these are probably all going to need resurfacing. It cost me less than 5p, 2 to 5p to resurface a disc. So I have got to factor that in. It's why I don't buy tons of these type of job lots, for that very reason, really. But with it being Christmas and whatnot, I am going to try and get these on and get these sorted as quick as possible because from a reseller point of view, now's the time to sell them. So yeah, for 45 quid, I think I've done all right, really. I mean, there's no like crazy rare home runs. I mean, I'd never heard of that one, but there's a couple of shiny covered ones, and that's about it. 2 new ones, and some interesting ones like the Tarzan, that sort of thing. So try to keep it a bit of a briefer video because otherwise it could be going on for ages and ages. So I hope you enjoyed this video. If you like this kind of video, drop a like down below, give us a comment, let us know whether you like it, dislike it, etc, etc. I've just bought a load of costume jewellery, so I'm going to do that soon. And I've got a couple of other bits and bobs. There's an electronics palette that I want to get in on, but it might be quite expensive. So yeah, thanks ever so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe if you like this kind of videos, and I'll see you all soon. Bye.